Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a shortcode field in Bitform. Let's begin. The shortcode feature in Bitform allows you to seamlessly embed complex external elements or functionalities into your forms with ease. To create your first form, simply click on the Create First Form button. Choose what type of form you want to create from here. I want to create a simple contact form, so simply use this template. Now drag and drop the shortcode field from the right sidebar into the form builder. Then navigate to the shortcode field settings. Name is the unique identifier for the field, and you can also modify it if needed. Admin label is used for administrative purposes and allows administrator to set the label name that will appear on the entries page. You can adjust the size and position of the field using these options. In the shortcode section, you can either write or paste the shortcode of the desired form that you want to embed. If you enable this option, the shortcode field will be hidden, and if you disable this option, the shortcode field will be visible. Then click on the Update button. Now let's preview the form. Here, you can see that the form you wanted to embed that has been successfully embedded on this page. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.